So don't waste your time. Download the AnyViewer software and the license. Hello friends, welcome my channel and welcome today's video. Today we'll discuss about AnyViewer software. It is used for the remote desktop access, and you can use for any type of support remotely, or you can play game into remotely. This tool is by AMI technology. This is the AnyViewer website. Go to the AnyViewer.com. So discuss about the feature of AnyViewer. First one is unattended remote access. You can access the other device or remote device seamless across the platform, any device, anywhere. You have to set a password for the remote device. You can access the device using the password if the device is powered on. So next one is screen mirroring. The screen mirroring is you can use the AnyViewer using your phone remotely for any support. File transfer. It is very important feature for the AnyViewer. You can transfer the file very quickly. It is very end-to-end encryption, so it is there is no uh, security loophole, and you can transfer your file very securely. So next feature, privacy mode. So I already discussed the connection is very secure. Here is the you see the 256 encryption is enabled. No one can access your session, and your file and connection is very secure. Next feature is screen wall. If you need multiple user support in same time, you can do it very easily. Is the role management feature is very important. You can manage the role as per the support matrix. You can manage role access based role. You can manage your team very easily. Based on the feature, AnyViewer is very important for any other user. If you like AnyViewer, you can use the software AnyViewer. AnyViewer Solo is the paid version. You can use it for free for 6 months. It costs about $24. So you can download the installer from here, and you can this is the license key. You can use for 6 months fully free. If you happy, then you can extend the contract as well. Hurry up, you can download the software and license by 31st August 2026. You can check the customer review is also very good. They are happy. So don't waste your time. Download the AnyViewer software and the license. I will share the link below description box in my video. Thank you very much. See you again for the next video.